come with all Aquaba Bon Arrive.
And then 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Akoma Radio. Radio 97.1. Akoma 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 Radio,
Mieja kase ofuma asofua tumowie jijete ke to bar to bu afan pa
And bringing our time is Zali 23 after 3. And now yes, Zali the 21st day in the month of October 2021. This is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Awurade yadas twedi ampokwa me sambre woso ana wokron na wosafata sambre asase yade waseda wayeyi wokase ya adema osane esafata woye mintimirim nyakopon asambre wadani dunsuo si kwa fifiri bu abrefo aye bia funyame acha sunyame a wochamani suo bia so dada nyame asamre mpimpetwere wo so wabasambu da biara da yede waseda adema awiabrei yede okase yo ade brawo ezane sa wosafata sese yede ma yekoda se awufu na yabomodin asore se akrati asefo asamre moja edi afusane woyemu a edi emponi ye twen ansa yede yano fofoye yiwaye meni mabushia ni edi ho yeda wase meni madwuma yefo ni edi kan yeda wase okuape mind da wase twedi ampon Ghana mind da wase epie mantam da wase ni eka se koswa na to unsupa no efango yedwuma so fagu ya ware so fagu bibi biara yede ye ho akohyem aye nyankopon akwan ade bia sambre yetu ye ho asi wo ade amase ye beye no wawurade dum ya hoɔden ɔsorosoro ya hoɔden ne yɛsra fi wo ɔsoro nyansa sani ya ubisa Solomon se Solomon ade ampa na wopɛ Solomon anka hwe ade ba akopɛ ɛna Solomon bi se wurade ɔse wurade ɛbɛyɛ a dum ɔsoro nyansa ano ani yesre de ma obi biara ni tituru ni adwuma yefo a wa ha adwuma wura pani po da adwuma na no eno wo so a wotie me wo wa adwen a wo yedue sa wo wa adwen broni ba friend wisdom wo pejantem wo ye kese entem and mami momodian for unkran shasamono and for mau, and this is the day the Lord has made. We have to rejoice and be glad in it. Unkran shasama medemano in you. You can sing along if you can sing. If you know the song, sing along. Oh, Abba. Sawuni munyumana to be wate. Sawuti kemu Sawuti office anasa sambre wo show bedroom minim baby obutu awutie me batie bi na to bi dodona
Akuma Radio.
You're a miracle worker. You're a destiny changer. Putini ya yebite. Eti yenyo binye bita. Yenyo binye bita.
Akuma Radio.
Yenyo binye bita. Kenya wo na ma. Central in Isapaya. Me boya cho nyangepa. Ma. this year we're here. Now, what is your congosu? I took forward here.
Oh,
And I'm quiet today.
Matthew.
I didn't know my was a say.
Yenya kupono. Oh, he.
Or Sergeant for sorry.
Want you. Sorry, like now. Be grateful. Be grateful. Be grateful to the Lord thy God. Gratitude makes sense of our past. Bring peace for today and create a vision for tomorrow. New Sambre asem we your friend Melody Batty. I see gratitude makes sense of our past. Bring peace for today. Create a vision for tomorrow. Melody. By time. Nasama Okaye. And Abushia and that midi show crying. We obi a sambre obi ye bibima wa wushia sania what tani panasia. Shame on to you. You hardly appreciate people's effort in your life. Shame on to you. As I say, wutimi yo bia adie kakra bia nipa abeye de ama no wani be so. Anything na penifo ka asem say be fo pen ni nso ade. But ene me ka asem ya kire se minwa. Me ka asem ya kire se madamfo. Woni mu ni enti a wabrabo akoye enkosie nkwada nkoda aye stacked. Broni be say akaho aye stacked untimi nko wani mio. Eye because obi bu aworo wankai enyina ye. Eye because emwa na samri nipa ne dum no sa emwa no wantimi enyina nya ankasa ominua me da ase. Wantimi ankasa ominua nya me hiraw. Minua nya gopon to nkwandam. Enti ofelese ni oyama wo no wani anso. Dama bi don't onye bio. Enya di obeye. Yenya gopon kro boy e ba asase so. Mami papa minua ba ma minua ba wutie me. Ti asese Nyankopon kra paseda. Se nyame dumu bibi na wuyi wuyam abom pa ye danasia. Pesa ne awurade koso hirawo. But as we will fini awurade ayamon. Na wo fi se o wanya etini awo pa na obeye se okrati asefo a. Awiye no. Wo ye mobo. And now I am talking about appreciation. Shira afofro sania ye kamedashi. So we obi a medase ka eya woden. We are dear, we obi a samre, obi ya dear ketuwa bi wo akwamu a, wo hua se obeka so asemasi, nya wo ye die mani aso. Eni ame patro ebeche panse nyame ahira wo. Ebeche panse watimi aye nipa kese. Esa ne se Nyankopon be hira obi a enam obi so na Nyankopon di hira wo. Enam bibi so na awurade mana enton fi heaven ba. Nyankopon nam ebia donzi so be mama ye nipa kese. Nyankopon nam ebia the boy so betimi mama ye nipa kese. Nyankopon nam ebia joan so ebetimi mama ye nipa kese. But I came to tell somebody something. Wo yo obi ya de ketwa ma wa wunhia se meka se medase. Anani awaya ma minimani so no. I am sorry brother. I am sorry sister. Say if you are not careful, baby awo no ehwa na bewo. Untimi kwa wani mu da. Ye Nyankopon nya oba mbofo. Oma wuti ne ma bia se appreciation in our everyday life. Add value to bibi biara yepe. Appreciation in our everyday life. Aya de mani pa konkan. Se samre yesua se afoforo ye bibi ma ye be kamedase. No ma wusampa ne awo ye ma ye ni so. Eno nkyere se samre. Wo fi se awurade na ehira wo. Minimo bi enam obi so enne wa ye sikani. Minimo bi enne wa enam obi so a wa ye sikani. But me no kasai wadwa nipa na odum no mani nya sika no all because nipa ne kokan say me bua ni mpo wantimi anka me dase enti business started say ejiguno Why now ne ko bon komo no wa tell how to revive your business. Why now ne ko bon komo no wa tell kwa ba fa so a business betimi agina ne nan so bio. Mami ne komodo pa oto aduane ma wudi ye. Me da se bo no. Esu komodo ni oyi 10 pesos se to nsuo de ma wo no mo ye. Kai sa di pa na kase me da se say wo ska dan makura eni ho that time. Ono no to ma wo ma utimi survive ye. Let us appreciate any single thing. Obi ya ma ye wo ya brabo mu. Say nipa no your house up. So nipa no your house boy. Say nipa no your driver. Say nipa no your mechanic. Adie bia even though you are paying cash for it. And I will tell nipa no learn how to appreciate. Shiansa wo kasa me da se. Enya wa ni awa ya ma mi Nyankopon hira. Nyame nka ho na tie. Bible na me atia se susukuru ano. Aye di susu ma afoforo sa susukuru ana na Nyankopon so. Ebe fa die susu di amaye. Nyame no mo wate. Nyame unye ema unye obi asambre. Ade obi abaye di ama obi awani so. Na ofai apenti o say nice program. Ono a Sancho Chairman 1 let us say. Ni ehia me say wo be share samre. Share our Facebook. Eye Okuma Radio 97.1. Woko hono madwumadie ye koso say sia obenya na live for. Afa woko Instagram eye Okuma 97.1. Facebook eye Okuma Radio 97.1. Instagram ye Okuma 97.1. Afa Twitter ye Okuma 97.1. Afa YouTube eye Okuma 971. Na dwumadie ni nyina etwagu wo studio mu ha. Ubo ye studio mu fa transmitting live from Berima Twum Hene Memorial House. Amanfo ekropone kapem. Yani eye Parliament Sport ni de bon hwanim pe Wakufu Road ni so. Yakoso bia no. Wonsu benya. Baba ya manager P say anka mesori dwumadie no ma share ye page no. Ma share na adofo ahu enepa. Ene samre adefa fo kwapeman saka. Man, say Johnny desire. Yeah, boy, cho. You say we on Yamia. Yeah, the radio say. And this one says 9 program. Good job, Chairman. Desmond and Ponsa Bequin. Desmond, thank you so much. I bet me the pastor over share Desmond. It got me one. And it's exactly 37 after 3. 21st day in the month of October 2021. This is the day. Nasani Adam show boss with 3 hours of radio use no and you wasted that. Remember when ni aji emboroso meka onsem there and sama samre esafata se mema wote mema wati ni nyina and what is Shatawale ye de na kwoto afiase Esa ne se ofojire asemi eto ne ho so se asem na to no empani hwehwe mu no na ye atrosem enti eno so no medi nkyeremu bebre wa asem sebe no so afemi no kasa after ekropon whereas ashriase I want this first update in the bebre exactly 4:20 Nana Kwame Yamponsa Calvin at the sports update in the bebre exactly 4:20 na ebushia enu atwe no ye the asem seben so be pay also ye the pay also we are near the almighty Okuma court aba and na Okuma court no ma na kasa tutu ne nan pam ne wa bedua mu e wo studio mu ha o say oni abrantie bi atena oni na yinyin nsem baako miensa na akowie se watesa abrantie kwa ware oba afoforo enti onye de hokose aware no ana so ni oba afoforo no nkokasa aye nsem bebre so stay tuned This and many more coming up on the show. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame Perry. Uber team, you're from the finest. And my man, catch you me taxi driver, truck drivers. And cross some mama kwaba womu fie, mama kwaba womu demu, mama kwaba ewa mu offices mokamu. Baby, I wish bia wutie mi biano. Eha, ena Ghana 40. Okumai 97.1. Akwaba Drive. No waje me say ofie pe. Me mamu nyina akwabo.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nana Jua Ekropon, DBMT Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji on mine. Okuma Radio, Eju Ekwabi mine. DBT 97.1. Okuma.
Mieja kese Okuma afokwa chumowi ejijete. Ne to bar, to bu afan pa. Pese me kase mimi fi oku wa from judge yourself. Okuma yenso ni mu na ne power ha.
Meeting any Abraham one, that is about Okuma Radio, a radio, who radio to Ubenyaso, a chat in Abenyaso Pass. Instead of Biafan Radio, and Panto Okuma 97.1 radio.
We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Into the pen of love, don't be mad, some way.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Then soon in secret and worry. Automatic say, worry. Then soon in secret and automatic say, worry. Then soon in secret and so when you're
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
We are blazing.
Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Performance Capim, Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
And who are done my many Gina? Man, who are done my boy?
We are blazing.
There you the bottom. Your friend is feeling bound. Man, who are done my boy? Man, who are done feeling good? Man, who are done many Gina? Sa, oh, there you the bottom. Your friend is feeling bound.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
I'm a man with the amount of someone to us. Hey, mommy, what do you do? You feeling bam bam.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Man, who what that Chicago? Man, who what that man you want shimmy?
Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Then you're the panel, your friend no say feeling too sad. Man, what that Chicago? Man, who what that man you want shimmy? Man, who what that you break you? Yeah. Oh, then you're the panel, your friend no say feeling too sad.
Performance Capim, Okuma Radio 97.1.
If you're not near the way, don't be out of the power, yes. All you do for you, not that you're around to not said that. If you're comforting on some, you're not need to be anyway. Under so many papa, under sun, your dog phone. Then I'm not going to do you need to you feel it too.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio, the Kramuche. blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Tell your papa what you did to me. I no go green. You won't control me. I no go green because I be man. I'm in for control. Angelina, oh Angelina, yeah, oh Angelina, yeah.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
I marry you. You there for my house. You there cook for me. But what do you there do? For some they go for walk. Angelina go for cinema. Angelina, oh Angelina, yeah. Tell your papa what you did do me. I no go green. You won't control me. I no go green because I be man. I me for control.
Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh Angelina, yeah. Angelina, why you want to do me so? Why you want to do me so? Yes.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Kumasa. Hey.
Okuma Jenny, the Gramuche. Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
ya te papa.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed.
Malugo ya do. Wapra.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mono pampe. Defie kai mo se biye. Olonjono. Oshia eh. Love no frappe kapu went down. La 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 la. La 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 la. Love no frappe kapu went down. Anonya sonjo yeke jo pampe no fe kutamo go kutamo blafo yo. La la la.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed.
La 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 la. Love no frappe kapu went down. Wamane da kombabi, wamane frabi, wamane Gucci sala, wamane wanya wadi.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Aige ada, probo fante ashante, sima bono biu, wamane wanya washi. Malugo yede, malugo yede.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Njole chalolo, oni wajo.
Okuma Radio.
Mata, mi ego mata, que chio cole ni oyiwalaton. Ako mata, mi ego masoni,
Station with
que
your man
chio
Kenya.
cole ni
Okuma Radio
oyiwalaton.
97.1.
Mi neke jole mi kla, que chio cole ni oyiwalaton. Mi neke jole mi kla.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mi que voy ni fia bo. Mi no cole mi bra. Kai me ne bine pe e won. Chico kone wa chele kusha.
We are blessed.
No la que jele mi le chakio. Lui wo mata o. Mi e ko mata. Que chio cole mi o iguala don.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Hey, Malugo yede. Oh, Malugo yede.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh, njole chalolo, oni wajo.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed.
Ansa wolo ni bio mami alata fabra mi to bio. Ansa wolo, mami alata fabra mi to bio. Ansa wolo.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Malugo yende. Malugo yende, baby. Malugo yende. Oh, jale chalolo. Oni
We
wajo.
are blessed.
Tio. Tio. Azinyi na nyamino ya. Tio, ya mu ya pia uchu yana. Tio, ya za wata yana. Tio.
Station with your man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
And it's Azali 57 after 3. And this is my all-time favorite. One of the best tunes. Inkrans. Akosia Japo. Amaziba. Rexoma.
Malugo yende.
Sawa kakra.
Malugo yado.
Oh, kamba. Yani wago. Ade.
Mina fara kanteke mina mishe.
Aye, mishe zale.
Mina mandala.
Matthew.
Mina mishe.
Aye, mishe zale. Matthew.
Mile ni
Akari tẹnu mayage.
Mile ni
Akari tẹnu mayage.
Mile ni my God, in the Mumbai Ake. Aye, Hosane.
Efobota okwa near Efobota but still okwa Adia was here your time as over. I'll come out everywhere. I'll come out everywhere. Baby, I'll be with a crobia, Beuraso. Baby, I'll be with Tibia. Atite. Mami mama de yankoji abua for krato amra wo. Na me koji krato ne ba. Donzi. We your first half. Second half no. Mo bete mo kakanka wo radio so. I'll be right back.
Ready my basa power. Chese word na kana nsaped babe. Wo friends and aduan for chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire. Mama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Meaning Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Ni you live pub and restaurant e din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, anase parties ahodwa. Omutimi hihye dwumadi esronkoma na ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkonwa any tables a owo ni dosopo wo ho.
Chese, one and that will be a very imagine no
one eba stage cradia wabema stage shunku and one Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say in papa and in sa papa whatever wa at the amount wa man fia kwapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omobema wedding no ayekiko hesa ne anoko mata ne was
oh mama meni aje
happy people
Mami awo dey be me need dem to ache no I was say me pe ade a edem shronko e makwa no afiwe me pe African Print Fabrica eye fedi a cheche wo mawari ase
oh medo ye kwasrada weekend sse to shirt for mano
ko wudin retail stores e wo men ha ba bia na kwaje wo wudin ntu me edem shronko anase entade ye de designs edem fu na pempam de deda wo ko fodia ye retail shop e wo Antarctic Plaza building.
Woodin, le créateur.
Like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Esese me san kwa adwuma. Na mom school papa be so me ben mama me. Ne metumi akoye adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwen hu yo.
Me do, ade wonti Peace Montessori nkana. Omoji nkwala 54 month crèche KG primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asamre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition ene care wontimi omo wadamu befua.
Peace Montessori enye won wo hostel junction hostel achi ho no eho de ne amate kra ne se wo hwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 me kire mufra dumie mpe
sa pepepe. Peace Montessori ewo ekropon ekwapem so wo pese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a ananse wogi nchemu bi a frɛ numbers 05058292261 and 0200177676 and 0279267523. Peace Montessori ana
wadomo fra keke.
Peace Montessori ana
one teacher 12 students.
Akropon Kapim Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey, station where the man can. Hey, station where the man can. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey,
sugar like that tea. Oh yeah. Hey. Abu Fraba is a yes, Mapa. Neti Abu Twete. Hey, woman, I'm going to
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Abu Fraba, Abu Yesu. Full of pay bank today. Pay bank today. As I'm walking on the way. Back from where? Ajwe.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mama kopie kwezi zabra beyin sona wako. Mama le kwezi zabra.
97.1 FM is we are blessed.
Mama kopie kwezi zabra beyin sona wako. Mama le kwezi zabra. Oyale wewe nyado. Adade wewe nyado ao. Oya semja yaboyaba. Oya semja yaboyaba beyin sona wako.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Mama kopie kwezi zabro beyin sona wako. Mama kwezi zabro.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
Mama kopie kwezi zabra beyin sona wako. Mama kwezi zabra. Adate wewe nyado. Oya semya yaboyaba. Oya semya yaboyaba beyin sona wako.
Okuma Radio, yes, baby.
Yadama pejakun, pete sabana won na papa. Yadama pejakun, aye. Yadama pejakun, pete sabana won na papa. Yadama pejakun, aye. Oya je. Yadama pejakun, pete sabana won na papa. Yadama pejakun, yapasan. Oya aye. Oh. Nani peyi waya pampasan. Baba, oh yeah.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah, Takrani police, Chimami Yodan, Hausa Messi. And Crawford Monatia,
Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio
97.1 Mimi feel good way to get yourself. Okuma, you so na the power ha.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, of Legacy Ghana, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, you better with ya. Infinity baby, but Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, who is side?
Person can Mimi feel good way to get yourself. Okuma, you so na the power ha.
Edna Benye, so busy in Sawada. Edna Benye, so busy in Sawada.
Radio 97.1.
Obiamo, Edna Benye.
Person can Mimi feel good way to get yourself. Okuma, you so na the power ha.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, of Legacy Ghana, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, you better with ya. Infinity baby, but Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, who is side?
Watch out for Bibla.
Westline Hotel. What's na one? Baby. What's your name, man? Oh, yeah, let me friend. It's on the deck.
Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Make a chill on the deck. And you know I'm a car. What's so catching on the deck?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Yes, number one.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Okuma Radio 97.1.
Nanajua Ekropon, Debiamitie Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, Okuji Omai, Okuma Radio,
Okuma FM,
Debiamitie 97.1.
Okuma Radio, Bakopedu Pese Utia, Intimity Babia, Okuma FM 97.1. Ah, we need size.
Okuma Radio for Madame Azepa, Mematuna Mekase, Mensaka Makoko, Najumaden, and no more than Okuma Radio, Mensaka Mako, Okuma Radio, Baba Muka Mangapa, Okuma Radio, yet Damase.
Abrama Maneka said, Moses joint Bakope, a man for a Kufu road, Okuma Radio. Oh, my champion, Okuma from my man, can you cry? Must say, Pia. Minimum broke cry, no poor you and I do. There's will be a museum. Only size one.
Okuma Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio,
yeah, from Canados. In fact, Obia Bomadia Trot the Abrams and not the baby, I'm a fire no. But I said I can say, come on, production team. Wow, we are life man, the boy or Sancha here. Now, high life selector, DJ Donzi. Namia Casa Quamenum. Metia the Asachi Femo. Anti, Famomo, 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 Famomo,
you go do? I don't want to form about it. It's so good.
It is somebody. Akwabo. I had them there. I say me, I say, boy, I'm video me now. Pop.
Band back with boom. I said, a palm bottom of Nigeria. Canada. Yeah. That's right. No boom. One band. I say woman fee a palm born money idea, huh? That's my palm. Not your palm. Right. Yeah.
I say me Canada, yeah, me now, papa.
Canados now, come on for road.
Nigeria Casa no Cano.
Canados podcast now.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
In this world, if somebody do good for you, let it say for you now. So now, not true. Number one, Rogers All Stars Nigeria Limited.
Okuma the Kramuche. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
The Gratas of Shadow Hotel, Onisha, Opoko. And Mr. Michael Ibuisi, the manager of Shadow Hotel, Onisha, Opoko. May God help you.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
May God help you.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
The managing director of Organized Media Motors. May God help you.
Mirror messages are so far. This one says, hey, Chairman 1. Nice program. All right, thank you all. Now, woko Desmond Amponsa Bequin. And also say nice program, good job, chairman. Into Facebook, yeah, Okuman Radio 97.1. Okuman Radio 97.1. Woko honoma ubetimi akruche unsem nyina na majemra kan. Instagram Okuman 97.1. Twitter ya Okuman 97.1. And for woko YouTube nso a Okuman 971. Na yabo modin aye no fefe ewo ho. Wari aze. Famamo. Give it to them. Famamo. Okay, mamima Nana Kwame Amponsa Eddie Akwaba. Emra so Bomodi did the latest in the world of sports at MIA. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame, Peru, to me from the finals. The man, you know, catch you in me. Somebody, your Mrs. Bar for Akwaba. After the time, Bibi Abako, dear. Na me mama di enchia ye papa Abuofe evangelist doctor Abuofe ye chia papa se bibi abako de ya me nkoso ama kwantinti se ya ama yen afa shambre ubomodi akwa okugwa mia me papa ba akopa mi sinifam nana eduse into ampam I see you the my country cones. One was ice cream now. You tete ice cream ni good biscuit so no. Now tafre now no the buy. Papa dear, papa dear.
I guess this is milk powder.
Milk. No, like papa dear. Oh, minimum. What is that, papa dear? Oh, minimum. You're from the country cones.
Country
cones.
That will be try more.
Oh, say papa dear.
Bye no.
Yes. Odoni Harvest Committee chairman.
Harvest Committee chairman. My idea.
Eti papa mi chiao.
Musofu na. Okwa muja na kwa mo kwa toka.
Sorry ka.
Okay.
Is you and white be.
Agugwa foka.
There be anya.
Be okoye no.
Be okoye.
But my idea.
Ya shana so fontare ya and
fine. My idea. Beno na.
I was here na call me Amponsa Eddie Atena say. Me Bibi Aboko there.
Finest.
Yeah.
Bibi Kama.
Right. Now and what is the latest? Then and I'm from a more percent for Huniako.
Finest in some of their doors. So no, Odom say and then FIFA Coca-Cola ranking at my babon saying.
Really
about the month of October. Now Ghana. Obesalti.
All right, because I'm to the end of Sambre, it's time for us to give you the sports update. Our Okuman Akwaba Drive. So, you.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuman Radio.
Right, Okuma 97.1 radio the finest. Onu say we na yatena sese ya na yase na fata say na amafote no ana ne so no yetumi are ba ntino yentwa na fe so nsamba akomienu yentumi amfa ntudwa amfa ma yetiefo re ne na no courage man had sports nsem ni nyina so no wabo no are amame me so mere ba medin ane na Kwame Amponsa di obetima from AK na yese bibia so no etumi ay kama the boy so ha ene ne hia ono so etumi ade na dwenche eso etumi de apa na the finest na me come ene the Black Stars of Ghana FIFA Coca-Cola ranking no and also etumi abetodwa na Oba Africa ha ene top 10 ni ma me fa top 10 no enso no etumi emfa ntodwa enso emfa ma dia Abranton di anase ne Amaya ne di at the Senegal ene di kan Africa ha number 1 on the list. Number 2 no Tunisia, Sansona 3 Morocco, 4 Algeria, 5 Super Eagles of Nigeria, Sansona in 6 no Pharaohs of Egypt, Black Stars of Ghana, that also 7th Ghana, 7th Sansona Ivory Coast, that also 8 Cameroon, that also 9 and I think so Mali ɛtɔ so ɛyɛ 10th nti top 10 no ana mede ato dwa ɛde ama Africa. Number 1 ɛyɛ Senegal, 2 ɛyɛ Tunisia, 3 ɛnso no Morocco, 4 ɛyɛ Algeria, 5 ɛyɛ Nigeria, 6 ɛyɛ Egypt, 7 ɛyɛ Ghana, 8 ɛyɛ Ivory Coast, 9 ɛyɛ Cameroon, and after so 10 ɛyɛ Mali. Internet top 10 no and also I don't know our Africa na over world in Ghana na ke 53 the boy tini na ke 53 and ya ya ba yanim ya ba 52 aha internet Coca-Cola FIFA ranking no over we are suffering nyina Ghana that also 52 and so on Africa that also 7th and also and then sama ebo banana the finest MV Black Stars akati nyenko piem hata folk onum se kwesi ade Omujina kono against work of Morocco and so Morocco kwe dem na wie ya me no kase na hatful players no and so no etu akodu airport and you know almost full flight na fe so no mako piem Morocco Emirates and you know almost so ko na players coach and ni samo boyu and ko Morocco ni goalkeeper so no Richard Ata so na Richmond Ayi Richard Beidou so na Benjamin Mensah omani goalkeeper so no Richard Ata Richmond Ayi, Richard Beidou, and I Benjamin Mensah. Defenders in here Fatah Mohamed on their captain, Mohamed Al Hassan, Nuru Sule, Caleb Amankwa, Sumaila Lari, Sansa Radio Voka, also Ejremu, Robert Adusowa, and I William Denchi, among any defenders and midfielders in here. Emmanuel Nete, Eka, Frederick and Sabuche, and so Ibrahim Salifu, Salim Adams, and Enoch Esubontain, among and midfielders and forwards, Victor Edu. Isaac Mensah, Daniel Afriye Panier, Kofi Koji, Suraj Seydou, Isaac Eyenim Boateng, and Patrick Razak Omotozosi. It's when any players, Mamisi Subiem, goalkeeper Sonom, Richard Atta, Richmond Ayi, Richard Beidou, Benjamin Mensah, defender Sonom, Fatah Mohamed, Mohamed Al-Hassan, Nuru Sule, Caleb Almankwa, Sumaila Lairi, and I feel so Branson Ade Radio Voka, Robert Adusowa, and William Denchi, and a defenders, no, Memphis Nini, Emmanuel Nete, Frederick and Sabuche, Ibrahim Salifu, Sanson Salim Adams, and Enoch Esubontain, forwards Nini, Branson and Victor Edu, Isaac Mensah, Daniel Free Panier, Kofi Koji, Suraj Seydou, Isaac Ejenim Boateng, and I feel so Patrick Razak Omotoyosi, and I need so how to folk in paying for, and so to me, and they are to be placed in in the next 2 minutes, how to folk fly Emirates and say 2 to me at Fikoroka International Airport. Then so to me Akopiem Morocco. Now feel so Kwesiada and paying Nidra how to folk against the work of Morocco, and I'm also no to me at the Shisha to the finest. When somebody there, Messiah Dawson, no more, yes, sir, Yefata, Sama Fortano, and a name so yet to me at the about.
Right.
Finance, but milkway, mammy, you win from free work, time, but mammy and free work. Mammy will say, Gloria Budu, or a teacher near Evergreen, Blossom Academy, and then birthday. Gloria, and then birthday to Gloria Budu of Evergreen Blossom Academy. Mammy will say, happy birthday. Wait, if you ho, and you know, Kelvin, may wish happy birthday. Yakupon Shano, now Oyen Cassia, and Gloria Budu, happy birthday, and call Emfa Emao.
Okay. Gloria Betty, na Samray, Bomadiana, Yan Tuasuni Emfa, Asem Sebemra, a year Adolfo. Unya.
Ghana, dear, Nane Diacano, and someone who are mobile, because. World Cup, the African Cup qualifies. Boy, World Cup, the African Cup, the team qualify. The World Cup, na cry. Na yem one say, money on man say Ethiopia, but na mo train famubo. Na yakoye ranking na esimoto 7th. Kwame, Ethiopia kura na yedin say mbuti mi ahye no. What they say, South Africa, for some time now, no. Kwame yiri answer na etumi ahye wo mo.
What the boy FIFA ranking no, a point.
Oh,
and in our last 2 games, yabono, you winning. And official performance of the team so I was through. And then can be and a month of almost ranking every month. It's a month of October.
I didn't know
you have 2 matches you winning now.
I didn't know yanya de nti nye bosuminimu. I didn't know yanya de. How many years had the World Cup?
You're 10th in Africa.
And I was African.
And award near 53.
Yes. Oh, Kwame. 53 now 50.
Says ya Ghana also ya die.
Yeah, 52.
Yeah, die.
As of September, near 53.
October,
you about 52.
Come near
Africa near 10th, but near you about 7th.
Come here, bra Ghana J African Cup no. Na o man bi ti say Nigeria no Egypt. No mo ebi kura nyi bi e. Ene ya transfer Egypt abaji nsin o san. aho near the bosome Egypt agent so yet one say month yes yan kan kwa yanim aho me say Kwame wo hwe wo mo wo mo year 72 ni 73 aba 80 year aba 2010 12 afi 92 be ya blaster proper no omo pejia kru bia mo bia hu da ebi 40 years ebi 30 years enti anya FIFA rank na sabio ebe bibia ma yen fine omo pejia mo homre so anyi kru papa bi Africa yen fefo ya nansan pejia cup ibi Zambia fo agro pejia bi Kwame na mo se ba rank o ma hin no yatia ye ayena eze bibia baby kofa it na ka be Ghana football ho asem ye Kwame yatia ema top 4 odura eye Acrofan for organize ye ne apro for organize ye no some days to eye cap no bono na ball no bono yetimi free press conference eye handing over chiche just ni boot ni ade ema players ba kukusi akan for teams no e chiro msi kombaji nyina be si na week pe enne na watch kwase de be na watch Ghana Premier League ye fi ase not common flyer ba ko se kura enam framam flyer ba ko se flyer oh ne yom de tata na hu e ba ko se nam ho o ti ase Kwame ye hye nya advert bi se radio so TV so se ye den owura ketokre ku ne nkrofo me de Kwame da bia meka me ko so maka bio me se sa papa enfie na no so na ye kwoto aba na football people ne sign to aba bio ma papa mani nsa no ebi adwuma o ye ne de mama me ntumi nye but adwuma we die so mo sign to aba bio ma no de a ebe nwanwa me se aka na wotwe Ghana Premier League me say EPL any baba shasia na nana kasa dia dance apart from teams no grani ade no eye advert ne jingles ne niam etwagu anya bete ebe de gra na enya odo e de ama ye teams nketo ani ade nana for as we speak say enya na na di any team kura bia no ye ndo mase any okori sports head e wa tena beka heart ne kotoko asem kakra radio station one eka all because say GF and this kakra be wuram ayi advert ama the whole adwuma ono ankasa ye ayi tua no ka bosome no obey advert eye ne ya e be dey quarter 7 down it free players all of them from Aburochire we go Ghana Premier League wa mo ba ko won test goalkeeper down obechima ye team be no watch Ghana happen keeper wa quarter say wa quarter team be no watch Ghana happen em ran tell bre ho a they go for obi fi be na betum e be na yen rank 7 10 11 Senegal for young players on top flight European teams top flight I don't know I think say UEFA player of the year say nipa 4 no Nigeria ni ba ko ka ho nipa 4 no Alisson Becker no money ade ye ntumi nya bi we krom ha o dey ase enti no 7th ne de ye di to even for the next man go this time
I'm say obedient crab say birthday means susu bi
why na dey buy
enti no Gloria Budu
me one give permission na o pese o ye
Kwame ozi abofra o hini a wonti afutu no sebe ntamati eye ya na ko bedwam na record na hu za ade no na record ya mi ti ko se da yuti na mi yimi ti se na record ya
I don't know yes right yeah
my me na producer be masa you bro me see you producer see you masa you masa ha nya sports me sraw
me da say pa producer who producer
the manager
aga although what's we ni here
ya no baby ya ne post
what's up with madam
Gloria Budu.
That's right.
Teacher, our Evergreen Blossom Academy.
Oh, okay.
Evergreen Blossom Academy. And then birthday.
Right.
It's in the Gloria.
Right.
We so happy birthday.
Right.
Now on your case na birthday ni dia na kan yen case but the boys him trying to short. Still Gloria, happy birthday.
All right.
And so
okay, yeah, to us ebushane ya di asem sebe na somona ene asem a wo ho ne se Shatawale ena me no ka say ya bomodin asande ne ko afiase 1 week adan a unze ba news mu say ya bonitu by unknown gunman which say police for duamu a Empe bebre ya me kasa odi kan ko police station eno nche se wa asem ye do. Odi kan ya police hwehwe ensem ni mu a se enya mpa. Emse mi hu se suro na nkrofo bi suro nti na police station ko ye omo ya. Nanka obi ko kan wa asem na report to police station a manenko na nso di echi ko kan side of the story. Minya sure say wo ko ya na police say ode wo hwem. Abra police ntie wa asem ye. Da bi obi ani wo be sa. So at as any police no kra sabi ono nim na adwuma oye.
Court ko because of the court pe na ho popo. Oni so court na na de kotum.
Eh ya asem. Eso court ye be bisa wa asem.
Yeah.
Sabi judge no to wonom no we sua criminal law, we sua way law, we sua way psychology. Wa ye ni nyina etu wu twa ntrot wo onim se wu twa ntrot wo kan no kran so onim. So enje da nye hu sa enje da ye hu sa but Shatawala ko di ntro. Emma Samria me no kasa die. Ja, yesu onko twiri mu 1 week.
Yeah, Kwame.
Who say adi asa IGP ba ye. Onchele kura osu bempa ko ye. Osu bempa ne nkrofo ko ye. Sesi Shatawale
enyo won say osofu panyin bi so enche bi obeko.
Ono so beko.
Ani o shi Ghana flag no. Ni o ba ku bi a shi Ghana flag.
Okay.
O the Ghana flag ni chichiri aponche. No say o the ya kwanchere wa she no.
Ewe.
Ghana he ya. O de enche bi a ono so be di achi.
IGP adwuma no obo na nsa die. IGP ye wura dampare. Mboni adwuma wo ja de. Sei ana omanga na pese. Mpanyinfo mo ba sei ya mo be ye. Enti no ba bia wo bia no ye bo abaso.
Ka IGP assembly yes I'm the judicial service. And so I was only saying Ghana police service. That's IGP into me sentence you be unless the court.
Yeah.
And in more court no so abaso.
Yes.
Some make sure.
And judicial service for so yedamase. From the registrar to the last person or I could see judge or better.
Kwame say afena me say ye nya gidie kakra wo ye law enforcement agency no who say Cosby America Cosby a branch papa no ye Cosby show no yes ye no kotumu
Arkeli recently no mu yi no
nyaminipa Arkeli okoko dem o just say ebrebi mi just ebrebi ni na artist bi begina Sabe stadium na on Sabe yi ni be ma ankabadi sa go dem o dey say enti no ye ni ma say bia Sabe a whole Shatawale otonyu mai nije awotene nyumu a na ho asepel Koligo no Godfather wan okomu a
you Shatawale nyumba akoma me
ye ko nyina so o ka
Shatawale nyumba akoma
o ka se ye fa no ko onya ye kan ka je no be dem for life
I think say on show remorse
but as a peer pressure group be so but say releasing is here for what reason you know death is a serious thing some men so or say ya kidnapping or no so na asem na kosi
yeah Kwame ono so unze
mutua ni bill no we meet you say we meet half was a story na some way but
we meet ni bill la ye de man no na sebio e kom na na e de no ana chale Ghana sikafo kra asu ehiafo nsusu enti sadie we na be mu waye den waye popular na wanya sika na so the boy what is happening
Kwame unze bebe na ka se Ghana emra anya adwa me makokot
why na kai
makokot pese emra ne nchewa na onyame ase me ka cho se emra ne nchewa da onyankopon ase na emra ne ye bokoboko na so mu a Kwame wo be ye mobo papa
emra ye adwuma
emra ye adwuma Ghana na
owura fi se minchemu wa ba bia me garage we ye ho na police station
yeah
mi hu se ni omode mra edi nkrofo oye ya na omu kotu amo
emra no so dosu ana enra na me ka se bi wa se ebia na Shatawale ebia na ebia ho film no ko film ejom pe kwan bi so a on be fa film
because say there as a waji publicity yini bio
ba kwa me wa nyine kwampa so
se se onu so ya chi no
why
Jesus ahun fe papa no share nkom say Charles bi ye be bonity o dance all artist no se ya chi no
okay
ama na yiri nso dey about out say
so wa mo Shatawale
ni baby a ni kunu wo na others from above mpese ebe release ni kunu
wow
Kwame so Jesus ahun fe nso
mama mo Shatawale nyumba ko me ba
anya sa na ye hye nkom me from the methodical background
me ba ho mama me man krofo hu nipa na ye ka ne ho asem e bia no wate ne nyum so oni mo nipa ko enti nipa na ye ka ne ho asem nie
I'm overdose with music
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Come like a kite. Come like a kite.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Do them like some kite. Satawale come like a kite. Forever and ever, I'll be a soldier. Forever and ever, I'll be a leader.
Okuma Radio.
Forever and ever, I'll be a teacher. Forever and ever, I'll be a father. Call me your IGP. Salute to me anytime. Yes, I'm master. Call me Duncan Williams. Or Mensa Waterville. Hallelujah. I don't go fit dog you, cause I know they love you. I be your father.
Okuma Radio.
No time. When we account every time. More dollar. In the world, Togo just get my shining quavo. Chuchu trouser.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Anyone me step man down to the earth. Sata me see me beat to the girl. So me scared I'm like, huh? Hi. Sata wale I come like a kite.
Anyway, Abrantia na ye kan 170
Come like
kakai dampare abe se kakai. Eti no sabre dampare di onchero. Eti wabase kakai. Ena Shatawale me no kasei osi onko 1 week.
Oni ni manager.
Oni ni manager ni na.
Yeah.
Ni manager Bulldog na.
Ni manager ni Bulldog.
Say na dope. Ni oba out be ka say ya chi no na police fu di echi.
Okay.
I'm say o edin in a betting. Yes, so a manager and just oh boy. No, yes.
I think it's Nana Dope.
I'm saying Bulldog no are signing as the personal manager.
Okay.
To Shatawale. Yeah, but Shatta movement in the Bulldog general manager. That's right. As it
come
right.
Yeah, make I say, I say, and come say, yeah, sure. You should be specific. Yen kase a yemi say, me say, me dream say, and then come say.
Right.
So what I say, matter is for can be SGS and edges. But I couldn't say one kasa ususu ade no team good. Ususu ade no.
Ewo team.
Yes. Now what America?
And on the
edges.
Edges.
Yeah, and SGS. Edges ni Nyankopon kasa ka kira. And team come say
Nyankopon ka kira no.
Yeah.
Edges.
He is edging you on.
And
one kasa you are edging.
Okay.
As a
good
soup. Yes. Yen come sa.
All right.
Say me who's ase obi be obi
wait abe ade mienu it is presume and assume.
Radio show that cut to us yesterday.
Onipa no guy name
18th October.
Onipa no guy name. Yeah, sham come unim in a dream. Pharaoh enya ye no. O describe one card I no anchre Joseph Kra. Joseph called Nyankopon yi kire no.
Right.
Obe card die ne pepe ne se ne Pharaoh hu ye no. Pepe. Now they all count there now. What's here? Oh yeah Charles. Oh yeah. Ajumo ye nyina kana tu ase. And never
so dance all artist.
Bonidina Casano. Charles, you want to the Charles.
Right.
Yeah. They were dance all artists, baby. Charles for out.
Wow.
Now Bonino back.
See, finest. And if you are here, BB, and as you being can't just say, I didn't. When you say Charles or a dance all artist, Ghana, why the two no say, why the two dance all artist?
Right. Anyway, one say not your percent here for who Eduma Swan. Sambre Onyam for Dampare. Obo.
George Akufu Dampare.
IGP. Etino Shatawale fans or person general enye no ne
he. So still no fans no.
Nye wo mu ne say ya yeso onko twere abanku kumu 1 week. Eno ni asam. Ye fiwa yanko funny face. Funny face nso ena me no ka say de yasande ne ko asalam bio.
Yesi enko hwehwe na adwini.
Nano na say ya Michelle no obunsu junction. Na okuta Bluetooth machine kesiye na asa audio say the nyom foforo bi ba
ono no funny face inside the nyom ba
entino Bluetooth eno no wo ho otaye Michelle no wo ebunsu junction ntimi
ayi do no
Linda do ho me park ya apena me hu say odi asa
na ko to dia na
there be me kosi obi yesoma me on official assignment official assignment entino me see nipa. Oh, if you
okay.
And if you ask them,
that's right. No, we see no.
Yeah, and I
young country artist for ne, San Crawford in answer. A Juma no way no, a home a can home home and Namia, your bosho, Sabi, Uja try in I. A woman by Yamuyan any part. Yes, and the ABS perform more.
You know, let's not forget. bus bi na esi ho
yeah
na niema ekọ so wo bus mu next time security agency no mo hwe
na kwa me say sa bus no
na de na ekọ so
me kan jaw ye
abi
me ko pe ni hwe kakra strippers walk cars bus ni I'm telling you
kwame sa asem
na strippers omo ro be ko na ne be ubo mo dia ko ro mo omadwe adwuma etino upstep security agency na omadwe anko bus no so e be parking
omo ro mo no mudi asa wo ma
omudi asa nyumu ko so party ankasa na e ko so bus ni
I to say night club.
Yeah, a night club or bus.
VVIP AIB.
A strippers bus.
Hey,
yeah, utia no wuram.
Na makoye den.
O say.
Makoye den.
O go den. Any wo ko na be
enu nye ye amane.
Etino next time me can pay for some more.
Yeah, dano ora infum. E be kan o ha say obeba be address sa issue. Na say ebinum si ye bi. E mo betwam ba e bobo miskin no. Ebi mu ye e ma soldier for no omo ya soldier for na fa mo sa nka enklofo no.
E no na me ka say the boy.
Soldier for
omo hu omo nam no babas ni mu no omo hu etime omo mfo ma koso. Bas mistake am yan na ke say me fa bas ni number ba crowd ni timi nyina achire.
Mami ye punish wo na mfam di.
Kra ya ko je afirusem. Omo ya omo de.
E go fofo zairo.
Yeah.
Next time one more e better bus no from hu die but next time from hu ndi one more na enam fam na asoja for show mu no if some say omo bo odwane bia na omo say ai abranti bi mranti mienu ka omo so omo yo no pele soja for ntem mra ha momonye aba no monye wo but we 25 we are no so more 25 na we more 20 come owura mfu mu hank asema me ko be dia dance
right ya da say ebushia asem sebe no funny face any Shatawale na and ye you know
my funny face no finance is here any day
what them yes onko na adwunim
but finance mami misa yo I remember say you don't quite asylum back
I don't know again ba no
na report no
yes so are you okay
oh you okay and now are you okay
say no so again ni baby mama no
first one no oh you call a report and you say oh you okay shin ha no and I say na adwumu na ho ana wa be okay
first night depression
no
depression
blood pressure say be count and it's funny team ni
anope information me yan say say ene koye no ye man adru bi say onom na say wanom ene ko ba ya e be say koye no na ye ne ko gina adaka mu no metie ni nyina na obisa judge ne say onim Father Dexter na no say oh ebe asana Father Dexter me didi na temba Father Dexter wabo me pa onim bolare na judge na ka say bolare radio presenter no say oh bola obo me pa na so ba na sa no me didi na tem onim asemasi we ni na judge na je so oh enye me mfom so obi a ye ka say emfa ne nko on say Sakratio hospital ye ka say emfa ne nko mienu ba ko kolebu de no o say committee kolebu de no o say on go because first I didn't call ho no sebi mpanyifo mfa ncheme obi didi mfa ncheme o say inmate na ho no omo tetando do ndi onko ndi mfa ne mfa baby foforo ifa ne ko baby info inmate sebi wo ma omo adwini ko mo ye de ne ko tu mu no o say omo tetando do ndi onko omo teta say time bon flatulate say den sen wo so ya bofra maka dem mpanyifo tie show yi wo ba eme ye o ti ase kwame no o si yesi na oni eye lewon yen so wa asem ba lewon ko ho no mo no o si ye na lewon ase mfama no lewon ko e bra no lewon eboa no 1000 Ghana cedis na otu ne fo so no kra bi ato no na asem a ye nua eye funny face e kan nyina ne se na ne yire be wo ma no no nyamba ono so pe mo fra asem pa na ne yire be wo ma no afi ne yire atam mo fra no ana mo fra akoko ware be ma foforo eno na adidi mu a ma asesebe o ya lusu ne conscience kakra eno na this how nyina edi aba ama sabri yenu aba ma no
oba no way
oba no ko ware be ma foforo mini so Ghana ha na so otukwan good yes so
first one I think say
first one no Ella and Bella
no gusu wo ho ono ne sese ano no na okuma ase a ono osi obebo ni tuo I think say no na ama girl na hu abehye ni mu so obebe mfani because wa can't was
saying
I think say so on ma 3 but ono ne see ne yiri ba ko de akola bi akoma papa bi nti I think say na
lady no ka say ni mani ase ni mani nyina no ye ni mani afi no ho
na che so ma
na this we na ba kwame I think say omo bedu sa stardom status na memo stardom no enwuro mu bebre obi pejadu baby kakra am paibo onko biu asɔre wɔn kɔ bio wɔn bɛtu ne fo wɔn mɛn wɔn bio sɛ yɛtete ha yɛ ne nyame pagya du baabi a na efi asɔre sɛ edidi materialism tintima na di nom ɛkɔ asɔre baako ni adeɛ yi wɔn na afi asɔre no kɔ wɔn kɔ bio ne godfather bi ɔbɔ mpa ɛma no wɔyɛ na.
me imagine the situation funny face ewo musesia and I don't
right
think
mami fancy mami fancy na me na empany ase samre ya the funny ase
me be said the boy there no sorry okay say me na
okay me da say
mani bisa me
man da boy me da say program na do so me to aso mami fancy na kese mfama acro farms for amona samre spent layers amodi abadwa manso a aye fofofo na dwumadie bi a wudi se wo ye choba operator ana se me no kasai wo restaurant bi ana wo ye caterer matron na wo pe enkoko de adi wo dwumadie bi a momadi anfo ani kire Acro Farms Limited wo apasare afa me no kasai there were 12 weeks cockles for sale 8 per bed. Nakai Marix, AB1 Gamboro, Farpox. Wejra Yempani Ayabo Madia Abo and Kuko Idada. Ubetimia from 0245 187871 0245 187871 and 0553 339355. Acro Farms Limited. I see Obama Uju Mediano Ayashronko. Na ashiri ase odwira no baso
energy
me say after Kropon Wares
ashiro ase
after Kropon Wares
ashiro ase
manye me say after Kropon Wares
ashiro ase
after Kropon Wares
ashiro ase the bro here say
ashiro ase sugarcane under
Anna dey
say ashiri oya abeso yakọ wate ashiri ase odwira festival 2021 natie strategy planning committee adding to my pa bebo and to my pem mechire okoman to my papa no ano enti omodi ashiri ase street carnival with Raskuku Puom Ebro Puom Jaja mi sufrewa Eti sambre artist on meal Raskuku Puom Kimabro Ochrefo Kojo Atemuda Defe Container Shankoma and many more. Date in 30th October 2021. Nakai venue no assurance close to the Deba grounds. Ehono na samre ombe stage kese pay ama anyum tufu abomodin andan da omo ho. Edi dwumadie ni fefefe. Eti kacha wodofo ne sa assurance odwira no so ahyase. Eti sa wo hwe ba bia eboso. Ba bia ni je no wo ma pro anu ayeden. Eno ane assurance. Natie 7 p.m. sharp. Na dwumadie ahyase. DJs on rotation here, untouchable DJ Vibe, DJ Tony the love selector, after DJ Don's the high life selector, after MC Neyame, Nana Kwame Perry aka the finest, D-Boy, after Nana Kwame and Ponza Eddie, Diamond, after Nana Adami and Super Baby. So adias here. Now media sponsors in here, Akuma 97.1 Radio, powered by Strategic Planning Committee. Whoopin Chiremua Ashiri Ase is the next stop. Baya Wedi Aya Ojira Ewo Okiapememu. Say si Ashiri Ase suri dinede. Enti bomodia na wono odofono. Monfo mani nchire Ashiri Ase frempengini na whoopin Chiremu bia 0247 455306 0247 455306 and 0540 908700. Ashriasi Odra Festival 2021. Me say after Kropon Wares.
Ashriasi.
After Kropon Wares.
Ashriasi.
80 meters there. Ashriasi is the place to be on the 30th of October. Ebe piso. Okay. Ajari. Ajari. Na bracket scene in penny for seminchiao. Na me ka cho say eba fried rice, jollof rice, pizza, chicken and chips, potato, afe shawarma, bankuni tilapia, samosa, meat pie, afe spring rolls, pineapple juice, watermelon juice, assorted drinks. Ni nyina afa beda omo. Ebusha from 0244 246431 and 0245 211386. Bracket scene. Ose bomadi abra. Na beji eduane padi. Abushia me kayo. Sa Peace Montessori sa omaya krado. So mo babua ankrankra bia sa mre wudwumadi no. Ede fa wo ba ho. E bia dwumadi na wo ye no. Emo akwanya sa wodi akwala abeko school nim. Ana wodi ne beko ba bia wo. Empe bebre de boy. Ebi wo no madwuma. Ayebasa. Ba Peace Montessori betimi asha obosa wodi akwala ne ba. Eti se wa wo tete no. Omofa eye enkwala no na oma tete omo tese omo ma eti eye one teacher 12 students our Peace Montessori was our good access road our school bus afi about tuition so I don't go there na ni ameno kasakra no omo special classroom blog omo fa enkwala 12 ne enwanwa Peace Montessori in penny for say for ni chire hostel junction shoe fabric kwine so opposite impressive colors. On Sabeka Aye Peace Montessori ho from 050-5829-261 and 020-177-676 and 0279-267523. Peace Montessori. I say Obama Wokalano ne dachi aye shronko. Kayo Peace Montessori say aye one teacher, 12 students. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System penny for say who be di dwumadi every weekend we are trying if you are on. It says here if you are actually. Na say ya ura Monday and na Thursday one we try Friday. Wow lo obi do ka no show bosumi anya abotre. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System penny for say the abomadia. Say wedding reception float parties. Afi sound system, light system, canopies. Any stage na unya de do dwumadi weekend ya bomadi answer do wani be chairman fin wo baby ever flow jijo omususu no from 0275 042594 and 0540 790012 wo be jewuso abushia enche ye de okuma court bebro ba me ka so okuma ba ye ya jintire he ye nam ya bomadi ya de asisi yie esane say ye do any a person any a man for Nimbom. Meaning, baby, I was just sabre, and I mean him near all yet. Nemo Majimedi say, business and I is slow. Baby, I'll be Fabia. A hiasi a bebo hundero. Now for Frohunia all yet. Now, as a war business, I own Mohundero no. As a was Sokania, now the Aquashed du Kurasi. You hurry. Bomadi also be from marketing team no. I was 0246 435565 0246 435565 Yebe Joso Okuma inye Yetie Yehwe Ani ye kasa moku ya peman Minya
Oka se weekend abasi siya no na was your bit oka
Osha obo sono kre
the first na ye pamu school fees no the master kwame atadudu obiani unakropon ha na Opamu school fees now about Jordan Unkra. Was it my mother says and my father says next month. Or show the say, yo, Mate, Afi, Abi Sakura, a to me. Now it's next week. When I got to say, about you,
when I say, I was young, the Almighty Okuma Court of Abram and Asamno, a super Abranti Aquashebo. Ne bo sha de ko she eye amaiwa ni abaiwa no ne nete nyisemba osikoyi minye ready e nyisemba osikoyi minye ready e oma yinyise baako miensa abaiwa kotinkoti a abrantie ko ware oba foforo na nsenya wadwapa oba izu se hwe waka che me dada osi usu ba bi ntimi na osi oba ware me I was here at chat. As a chalota, no, you better a boom. I mean, Messing aba. Nam the Okuma court abrem. Ya from na kwa me Perry. Ubeti me from the finest. And me nyina ka trade. Mami chia Dr. Opoku Benson. Na mi chia Papa Asare. Samrei Antisalo. Any adwumayefo nyina mo applause. Yechiamo Acro Farms Gideon. Eh brand as yensan kasa bi obese yakasa. Michiawo Gideon. Ene Samrei empanyini amowo ebri akoka aprede na menko akosommo enuma papam afemawura enuma papam di amenko hohoi na michiamo amowo mepe aveme joje michecha munyina wo Volta region ane mi betwa mu biewa na ma ba adukrom people wasefo ma minchiamo ma 14 elder kwabna yechiawo na fe ye momadi amonwura eye amanfrom tinkonfo nie na fe ye nchiamo amowo inkrakan asesewafo etesen na mo amowo boti area ne ho nyina okay yechiamo na fe ye momadi ankoko foridia afidua sesushen Mamu Galloway, Mamu Morovia, Ewo Sambre, Koforidia, Namincha Senate, Old State 4, Kofodia, Michecha Munina, Okrase Fonye, near Momadi Amra, Adoso, Tinkon, Apasare, Yemro Muama Sasakoko, Manfifonye, Adenya 4. And ye Roman South or Kitri Yaba Manfe, Maba Manfe, and Timaba Manfe Nedia, Mammy for many latte for Michel Hanta, Kubasani Abasa for Michiamo, okay, never Micha Oibi, Sasa before Apollonia, Namicha Afiena 4, and one more Tamakom to 1 Akosi 25, Aferwa Estate to 4 Michiamo. Dodowa saying Michecha Munina ho. Baby, I will be out to me Kabia Aquaba drive now with you know. Once again, I am Nana Kwame Perry. Aquabo
Okuma Radio 97.1.
So my once again, once again, make it way, passing your way, once again, see me, baby, I don't go, they take my shot, hey, get it, and yo, I want to make you one drivers. Why one gallon Olivia? We always see it here. I rock glass.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
You are woman, what the movie out, Maba Montana.
Station with your man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Obeying Bona, Oni Mofranca, Oni Mofranco, only more friends and obeying Bona, only more Frankie. Obeying Bonnie, obeying Bona, obeying Kulam. What's worth is also banana. Obeying Subway. We're betting in black and white. Wala wala jodi, obeying Subway. Obeying Subway. What's I was playing then? I was saying, oh, you what's some man? You pop up and see you pop back and you pop back and a baby upon consigning you, Nabra Veni, Aquahaba, and I was Maman K.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Upon consigning you, on a Braveni, Aquahaba, and I was Maman K. Hey, I'm on Miss War. No, what from where? What from Obikawa,
Okuma Radio
You walk on with the movie out, Mama Montana.
Yo, why yourself? Or breakfast again, they do, and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up, you answer to see, intimate to baby, 97.1. Hi, we decide.
Why do we see our Russia? And you're not banker, and you're your banker, woman, did you go, man? And you're not banker, and you're your banker, and you're not banker, see, woman, did you go, man?
Okuma Radio
97.1 Fadi Kawa, Igwembe Safi, Kumasi Kawo, Lemon Bisafi, Inkanso Sheho, Likwapi Mbisi, All Katanga, Dana Bisafu,
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Blackest Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with Tia. Continue to be a Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size. Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Blackest Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with Tia. Continue to be a Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Okuman Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. My yourself, or Blackest Jan Edu, and some Poloman and friend. Yo, radio back up, I don't perceive with Tia. Continue to be a Okuman FM 97.1. Hi, we need size.
Mieja kase Okuman afokwa chumowi ejijete ne to bare to bu afan pa pese me kase mimi fi okugwa ye from judge yourself Okuman ye nso ni na ne power ha adan na orisun onya jai adin pawasem na monyame
Your friend me Grace, Okuman Radio, you are the best, number one. Apora Mountain, so Chedi Council, Yenshiamwa, and Kebede, Ruta, we are fantastic.
Okay, up in mind, one with this year, Abilokos, Captain retired, Bakope, Nana Jen and Rebel Brother Shea. Okuman Radio, they have come to stay. Oma Jim, Mantom Helena was Opola Mountain, and so they almost significant for crack. For radio, to Okuman Radio, let's see, and the Pania Poniaco, Asa, yes, they
any oh.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Captain retire Bakope. Nana Jenya Mebe brother share. Okuma Radio, they have come to stay. Oma team, Mantem when you now boss. Paula Mantem, as we they almost see the camp for radio to Okuma Radio. Netty and the Pania Pania. Atasi. I have been at Ledu. I may war Parliament Sports. Okuman opposite. Me de fi anopa Okuma Ria and the Wales J. Vaneda. I don't want to Okuma na so yes you ho me body sem pass damase.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
High life. When we dear bring it fine, we pretty oh yeah, no high life. Sorry. Your body say.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Your stomach.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Like that. Sorry. Sakutosa, baby. Sakutosa, baby. Sakutosa, baby.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why yourself? Obiakese Ghana Edu and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up to pese utia. Intimate baby, but Okuman FM 97.1. Ha, Unisa.
We are blessed. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yo, Okuman FM. Why yourself? Obiakese Ghana Edu and some follow my friend. Yo, radio back up to pese utia. Intimate baby, but Okuman FM 97.1. Ha, Unisa.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Bramakota mae bedazui Petit Paris mae bedazo be mae zizo blazo.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Blazer. Oh, Friday Mayway. Na Uber Hasani anana odamia esa Pentecost fuasa wa ha. Ati akogwam na Robert Nsa. Camera no so acho. Asi anopero betimi ai. Samene no hwana ni na ewu. Na uhu shata. Shata joa. So I was the rasta ni mu ni mpese. Na ono so asosa. Ene di o shada him no toye. Na osofo de bi ne di asa first. Oh, ye di asa dada. Asa no ye di first dada.
I just say you are the one that sing as well them. Goodness, I just say you as no and what they say I saw them one. To
goodness,
say it you as in your class all him.
When it says I say we are okay me Mrs. Bizarre Bizarre question.
Oh yere.
Yes, okay say you call her Bizarre.
Me man insuro.
Adentina so for what can say.
See Kwame me man insuro. Me man insuro me say a Christopher no. Omo asofo no. Any elders ne da do mo dodo. Yeah, me na me ka kire o.
Who so do open no say na o brother asembe no kokan I
will not be a hypocrite. Me nye bida.
Obisa osumiza o man nchiremu.
Yeah, say asori panyin ba. And also for ba. Yeah, adwuma wo a certain company better me boy advert mo bia. Na o de won sika bere wo na o de to correction. Na o ka me kasa bo ahye me yam. No me nye sa bida. Me crofo no akura na se na brebi. Me kan me twa no short. Obi sabi e ka mu na me se obi anfa bibi mra na yemfa nko eboa. And ebi twa be na mu dia petition but say yem fa nko bon so say no mu hia petition dia ya amamre.
Anyway, things are not things. Na empeyini se ni ope ade akokotoko no ye mo na bro. WW ye ni wani enimu. So ati ase. Ye from na na kwa me pay. Umati me from the finest. Ememe nyina ka twere me. Emra so an sa. Say me de Okuman court. Ade bremo abedwafo me mamu nyina kwaba.
Ye Josu.
Na mo hote say.
Ye Josu amwadi odwure agya me.
Onyame adom ne.
Na mo san beji mi kunu asan ba abebo so.
Onyame adom ne.
Sani say hu nti.
Yo Ojuani ye advert so bi amra. Ojuani ye advert.
So what you know about soon na wa ma be
fa. Ojuani ye advert so bi amra.
And then wa ma excuse so china wa ma another excuse. Say ni nyina kan front wo so na at.
Wa odwira
ese ba be we.
Ojuada ukuda na uko ogwa no. Ojuana ebu abo. Yes, ye mre odwira.
O de mate.
Fiti brada.
Wo be fa me na mama.
Me nda na kwesi de enko da.
Wo be fa me na mama.
Na wo se wo do be kogu aso. Sa na tie ye. Na bro nya twam a onye so fa yin ebisa no Yesu ne enko bisa no.
Sure, abusia.
Sani say hunti.
Mesremo na matomobo ase na asem no makyerem na adofo ahuni ekọ asem ada ho ne se abrantie ni abayewe omumu baako atena se omatena
we ni bla twam yi na wo so
o ya mama ka ba se
o de kika na ope
omatena mesremo mama mi kyeremu emfidudu oni na nyisem ba mu na mayi first one by no wayi second one by no wayi third one by no mayi we dey ohye ne bo so obe ware abayewe enko wi akire no abrantie ze abayewe suban bi nya ne fe enti no na wotwe da ya nimu akọware abayewe ya wanya no foforo yi etane se ono no ohun se ni suban ebebo abayewe nso se hwe woni me yin se miensa de a enya de a mepene na me kokọware obi foforo no ma won so aye nsem foforo ma me nyi omu nyina enu asem na onso wadwen kire wa asem no fabra Sammy, Onyanfo.
Yeah,
na seka o po ba kokko a. Ade nti na won kan ntem na me mbore me.
Ma me share asim.
Ni me tuntum original dada. Nti sa o po ba kokko ade na won kan ntem se ni nku bebre wo ho. Se on pepora. Ma me to era.
Na ni je hu bi.
Wudi je mi o.
Enyam na ka je
na wo enyam na wo e bribi. Enyam kra na wo ka se women na their own enemies a. Ba ko na o te me minsa be ku. Eye pa so o te me minsa be ku.
To go asene tiefo nti wasem.
Sane se hu nti.
Asem na asi.
Me don't feel na te ho. Iku bebre ni. Wo de koso yi mi ma. Ko mate anti na ese na ye wo ho.
You are better.
Na mo ma atwam. Eye. Ja tuntun kofa kokko. Se kokko na panka ken se nka meto eye anya bra. Ko na se bra. Se we ja obibi ni ye. Abe yo broni.
To aso.
Sede na apesa o kire me no abranti mi ne wa twempena che abusuafo no ma abusuafo nyina wonim na emre ne ntoto ne enso ye kan no sikasam nye mi ma mi ye aduan a mi ti bibra o mankasa me start etoto me niama me ye adwuma nkakra eno na me de asoso ma na desedi wakwanya adwuma wo friend shoe fabric wase wo na wo hwe emariwa no so na sa abariwa we be pa adwuma wo ho a minim ne e bai so no so your befu say de nyame wu ni nyame wu ti we ni wu wigi wu ni nyame
na ka hina
wu ti we ni wonsa wakeka so wu ni nyame
aka hina bio na
de na pesa okan
and kosi say
na be me ni matena ma say shoe fabric fo a wo chesa wo de wo bo nga chesa so ambe sugu master jeff so no so mejen na o hwe usuba nso ampani ampa wo bo adwuma fine no se hwene amaso na wo fa abayo adwuma ma afi wo se chinchina chira ono na wo be ware no sane sane ha mi say oya abayo no ho ade a me so we fra mi kenta begina ho ode ni ko gina so dem a me so me hye me ga na ma ba ho sane say hu nti de dada o mi nka me de mi nchi ye nchi ma menyima dan crab akokra mi se ntafo wo menyima abrantes se chinchina chi minyi na emre nso ye afei anyamia ya adom ne ma totoye na esese ware me awuse wanya obi akokọ ono ye aba fresh na oto no we fresh
right me that say mami nko
konto fi nkokra nya wo mere one abo
mesel
na ye ko
mesel mami
na me de ma asem ye tie owu ene adambo ontu sumu ba so be jame o da bi mani abre bi mu kwasi asa o
popo wani ngo bi aswa
eraba okuma nko tiri aba nka popo wani so ama de dada sani se hunti
de odo ye fo
sani se hunti
meba
uni se da obi am polish na nka obe hu se odo ho
meba cho mereba mami nko
obi am polish na nka obe hu se odo ho
ma akoma mbra fam asem we besi modiga ba anko ade besi me pacho
basia busa aden
ma mbisa wasem ono betena no okache ansa na mo be hihya wari okache se oni obi wo ho
okache mi so oni obi wo ho mo na mom won ajai no oni obi wo ho na so oni na ajai na mi so se oni obi ajai de aja se obi boy obi later be obi boy me so obi girl to me ko obi yire nti eyi de erodin san kwa ma na mi ni ho
mesra mananusi mesra mananusi to aso
ntino ya na ntu kakra na mani je no no so na ni je me ho aso be ware me ma pene ya totonya mai ni na ewura mpacho ya totonya mai ni na awie afa ere fin se ya kwa ware ada ya re ware no orihye me nka wa no ba aya bra be gina ho na hade bra unni kente no na fa bra ho no
okay ma men ko na sesi a won feeling ma by way o say onne no
we na dia on enemy se bi na me kan no
era wo na
we na dia enemy enemy na wo de enne mi se wa ma onyonkwo entwa nkron a wo ntwa duro
era wo ni obi
wa ma onyonkwo entwa nkron a wo enne mi etuntum ase wo nya kokko china bepe yellow o china bepe yellow
Onyonyafo. Yeah. Praise. I'm grasping through my points.
What's it?
I'm grasping through my points.
One. Oh, you aspects.
One point. I'm here wait here for.
Omo je uzo.
Ni edi kan.
Odo mani peji mi.
Yo.
Send me to where.
Twemsa adon na ye ni.
Ayo. Obi a oya ho hihye se. Mini uja ekura mfi abiesa kura
re be. Mfi abiesa.
Na mini uja.
Odre yo.
To we ase.
Odre na.
Odre oha na echi. Yo, ma hwe be se aduoson. Nti me nya abofra sa. Misi mini uja e no ache. Mempe problem. Wo se wona no aduan go timi na ka de aduan bre ka me wie ngu. What one? Unu kadabi ankraman di ye kom na men kasa. Kadabi ankraman di. One unim dressing won kwan ye da unim styles. Yo, na afena mani abue. Afena mani abue.
What you said na die.
Me di kura me yamuhwe. Ba ku bi me di no what the drip aduoson na esi me so. Me ba ku me di no what the drip aduoson na esi me so.
Ena hina no be hwe hospital ho.
Anya ho me sister no buy no be tell me wanu ya keka tu ufriade onka nkyere me ufriade onka nkyere me
enye wana me firi na me de be no aduan ma o utu ya ko ma de na abo me
unu aduan kwa men aduan unu ya minti Meja wuse me no wanyi nyinsen
ebiesa last one wo enta
me sra wara nyinsen ebiesa no bobo mo fra ne di na mintie mo fra ko yi wo
asama ka che
but we na mintie
oh odo mani page mi o
nyimi wo na waji mi sabe
mi meji mi
yo enti mi se
mi se
me na hu obi papa
yo ayo na me chan tra wo da
ya wo de na ya me de na wo nyinsen
yo
ko ka na ko
wo ne be kan sweet
obi adachi onwo de me nware no me mo ka wuse da meye
Adambo
honey
Mr. Adambo
okura wa bodam se
eni owu yiku ba ko
wa bodam se na so wuto no we
Adambo eni owu yiku ba ko
wuto wono wewu
yo
kwame mi se okoma court mun kama me mejano me mpeno mi TV onfa fridge onfa
mpewo she sa fridge ni we ni nyina bia na me di bi koto ase na me yanga eka be
yo ko to ase mi so bi koto so yo ko to ase mi so bi koto so
nyina na ebo mi ye kai yes yes ye dem nyina bia fe ni won se wo bia papa de na be dem
eye koto fridge fo graba eye ne de akoma repera fridge fo fro odi ko ma repera
birthday awudi ahoro ni ama me topre o ni na o che uni baby
meba mesremo sania atiefo ebete nia obia ka no me pau chow pa kawasem na make you point na wrap it up na me nko no so na ono so nka ne nsem etwato na me nko odofo so na ono so nkasa
Kwame Mpere Krachi onyanfo Miss Obia yi ne do atu afimu se sasabonsam
ayo
mi hunu kura na mani afira yo
ene sesi am wani frɛ
no
atro
me hwɛ wani mu kura na kasa
atro
mfa wonsa me wo mani
atro wetuko
Obia sebe wada horo makwa me nka minimi ka mia ogware abie da kuru bia onko ya de half ato da bi ko timo horo ne nase na obia sabe ne 92 beshit de
adeni panani so o se o egware de se nya hwe ma menya me o na sa do we clean it out enne ne a obetena ha o ko mani wo nim gu ase we kura o se usua ho ade o be ma otumi gu obi anim ase
ono gware bi on kwankura kwame na o ko na sister yi ko na ne ko party ase biribi na sister yi
odo san na to ada
no
kwame na to ada pa
na ma owe jam no ordinance prodo nkwai prodo den ungu mani mu asesa wo si wo nyisi egu ko na me nko ware obia
nyisa na nya wa na ma mi yibu se wo ni sika me de ka mini problem
honi mu
era banya me ne wo ntama sam ka wa no tum
auto singlet ma me
awo de eboboba
o ti ase
wo de na eboboba
o ton pa ma me me size 40 o ko ton pa
o se osisi ma be ware no wa ye wade papa bi
sensi ano oba be ma no akoma akodi baby ada na wonti ase na ma no nware we asumjesu na wonti na baby
on fa ma ne mesha me yem
me pacho me ba ana ase mo huru mo ntama fi wa bontin se enye ada
sister me mpese meti se raba we okasa o
enti wo de akasa
me mpese meti so okasa o
akasa me ba no so
na onu mi ni hwe ye ono ye beto se kuma so se ko bodio obe ye beto
wo de wa twam wo de yo ye betwam
yo
ye betwam
yo
yes
Mede ma asem tietia.
Adam
boni owutu su mu ba ko na me fia.
Pennsylvania.
Ikosu akura se me pesi me meyi o.
Abotre.
Ngoja. Ko sam ga che.
Ni wanu ya ngoja ni wanu ya. Engine kura wo.
Odo any bi.
Odo come no to so bere.
Ai ma mi misa wasem. Sani ya koi ade na unya mu keke. Na
wani mu. Onya hina onya me. Me hu asisi me hu so no nya me
ada na unya ni mu na wo ma ne tira ne baby
mi jaya enye
mo sweet honey
ojira fiti Monday repim Friday pen then
wo fie biesa ni then
oja mi fie biesa na ben bisan so dra Monday hina no ne
ko pompon wo tie wani mo gura pompon
wo beda hot beshit ni ama bisan se beshit na
wani ma pompon hina na epel
bisan no
mi se wani ma pompon hina na epel
mi meni ma pompono wo hwe mani mi ya pompono ye tuntum nti
opra obare ma man pare wo ho me de ne be ma man pare post office bibi awo ye me de ne be ma
Abusia me mama be mane sa. Na asem no eyesre esan so ya ayroho pa. Abrantie ni abayo ya tena emfi bebre. Nyinsen yitugu okra bam. Baako mienu miensa. Efe ko wi akire no. Abrantie ise oware abayo foforo. Abayo isu awakonya no foforo ise hwe. Meso de me done pa menye ready se meje mu amanako. Abrantie ise mia sebe wa no niema bi wo no ma na ntwa yi ntimi ana mepe wagya wo dada. Enti no ha wo ho kra ne kasa ene nkiremu ani nyinsen a me ne wayi. Wo ye den a ni amekwakọ ware no no ana mekwakọ ware. Abusua mu na mu tie nsem yi wa bonten. Ena obi nso nsi trododo emfa matoa. Dabi eda no yamfa nto nso ebefiri ato. Enti esefata se samre ebe mo makonya. Na monso madwenkyere wa asemi ho no. Woni abayiwa yi aden na obeye. Woni abayiwa yi aden na obeye. Woni abrantie yi anase abayiwa yi abrantie abehu fufuro yi. Eye wo a den pa na wonso obeye. 0270191971 0270191971 0270191971 me phone lines no me bia ne sa na me no we
say ne me ya okra ne say wo sorry wa ma me guy ne wo do minti wa ma me guy name che Wendelin mo bia de frɛ say che Wendelin ina no mra no me frɛ ina no mra no me frɛ
o fra obeja
na wi ansi mo bi hu mo bi kika
yo
obi hu mo bi kika obi hu mo bi kika mi hu na sa wei
oh nkata sa awrai one ho ye fe
Yesu Kristo black doesn't break
break it down you know
black it doesn't break
break every time
mama for dika wa homa so de shebe ni
Adesha akosia ni
akosia kasafi Ukugwa ehimfa top and down
you are top
all right akosia okuma ni obagim so say ofie pe ana ofie pe me da se chawadwe wasemi ho
se papa na wa ende mi mo mewu enkwasi asem
na ka jeso mi enkwasi asem no o de twen me share we chi wo
njanka mi anga wa uda me mewu
mate me da se audition be ni too bad 0270191971 0270191971 audition be ni
audition Danilo
Ekroponda achi boko di audition
oh bibia boko
okuma ni
okuapma no
audition kasamiti
imagine say on while first wife no because on in there I abortion tea obianda mama na kwan kra mo kopa obia fofo
mate be da se audition be ni
Ate friend mele me ka si okrakojo
okrakojo boko di Mary
me adam
okuma ni
efiepe
audition che wadwe wasemi ho
Ati be mane so on plan ho asema on wale first on
me na ma wara boy me den ma wara boy me den
obey den
Mary ma wara boy den
Yesu so wu ni adambo chusu mu ba kon
okay yo mate me da se ma me fa foforo wa ma no so audition be ni
hello
yeah me patcho wan ni o champion kasafi
manfi
okay manfi mo what say
obian yo
okuma ni
okuapmanu
audition kasa
masa abanti no ye no nya no kra fata na kache ma mizi onka no kumantu no mewu mo manfi na me fa no ko mi sofu mama ni 3 days pe abanti americano be gba ngefi fata
so for the magic ya na say okanya mi asem Obo se medwa ni the magic cha matra magic
all right audition be ni
sister answer ni o sister
sister answer na bibia boko de sister answer
na adumo na mo se
nyame gusu hia okuma ni
okuapema no
audition kasa
the boy no ye ni nye sisi age wona na ya abortion ediesa ntu wuja no no ko a no ko wa no an ubi wa na oye ne den
ena me si abo
na reba no hwe ni ye na aba wo de botachi na nua no wo de boba
baba Tabanan kanu baba doji.
Mami fa foforo ahoma no so odi shebe ni. Odi shebe ni.
No compare.
Yes, boss. Mpacho wan ni o.
But you a prophet Enoch.
Oh, prophet na bibia boko dey prof.
Now say.
Nyame go so hia mo mpa ibo nti e da so te ase.
Okay.
Okuma ni.
Okay, akuma ni.
Ode shekasa na mitie prophet.
Lady no back for no. Ono na me won so. Two be ma ne ndi minimum so ba for no ba no. Bono show bia on the national over so many years na Bob da kudu be kakra. Na wa wan ni asa academy achi gaji pa so beje be ma na fi oba disem no. Ono hwe ya de pa de ba no. Mbevu ga se mi se ina situation ti yo ba no ndue. Na sa de we de etra enokra o hwini na no me pa no fa no.
Kana Hawaii prophet
prophet abonsan yesi atum no fi suru ba asase so sisi yesu obewu ye mu amre bi nso na prophet foi mu na mu ji yesu no nyamfa ndi o kwa senya
si wo be ye nketwa won
e for safari
na safari to say
na ngado bi aboko
akoma ni
o fie pe
ade she kasamiti
na me see enkan kwa the boy na we which figures le papa the boy
nka bi mami o
ya dia wo ye the boy be boa na
yes no zoom lion for prayer kromu a wo ma ti office nyum no disika no wo mo sisi nkrofo anyame
the boy obi aruba wa no office kwa ba se the boy wa ge no
oba chichire mi ana
ade she be ni
opa be fe
hello
me pa cho wan am ne ka sei
bato Isaac na ne ka se me ka se fi
Koforudia infa
me ka se fi Koforudia through die
okay so die for monche madwe wasemi o
papa no wa nya de kura obi etimi aya nkwara ma wa no mo se si wa kwa akoda hospital ma what 70
Isaac baby o free free ground ni papa o ti azie enti wo de wa future me mfa kra
na me da se ma me fa foforo wa homa se pa cho di shebe ni
ate me de
Esther Kasafi kwa mosu boko de
ate
okuma ni
chukra tumaya no
ode she kasa
bate me se papa ne se ano so nsa no ho atwam ntom ware ebia na nsa no so ne na agi be 3 times na o so ware no dem woman no ba no so be ware ne odi so no so detima wa mana na 20 me woman ntom ware sister no
ano
mate me da
se dem we kropon ha wa ho sina gede wa se we 1000
wa ho kro ye kwakwa me fa ne sa
wa ho odi shebe ni me ba cho
ebe fa na kase fi
amanfu boko de ode she
nyame adumo bi ahun yi na ho se
nyame gusi ebe fa samre okuma ni
ku ya ma anu
ode she wa adwen
really make a cry mechanic say na na papa no 10 years what me share ono obi atena for so many years woman na yin say bi sa ba ko bi an bi sa use uri jana kwa kofo obi afufuru a oba be ye no ade obi an me musu me ka tro obi anisi ono nso nkope on kanjira papa nisi dambo enu on tu se ngba ako o ware dia enu onko kumu keke
afa na manya mi
say what a shock go down if you
right odi shebe ni
papa Vic ni o
ayima na bibia boko de
nyame adumo na nso
nyame gusu hira yen okuman eye hima ba akopɛ samre bobodi a che wa adwe wasemi o
me ba show you me pesa me ka che oba foforo na oba ne se o ma ni tumi nya ni de bebre because nia on na tuna be mfi bebre no kura na on na yinyi nsen no ni ode ye ni nani dia eni ono on pe baby no nyina ye because e bia na ono ko ni be yin nse be 10 owia no wapam no wakofa
jina ni me jina ye nyingu
masakra
ifo san tro mo raba pe na ye ni wo wura
afrafo be ni hello odi she be ni good evening pacho wan am ne ka say
mpacho mi oforuwa
amanfo boko de mo oforuwa
Mpacho boko.
Ofori wa manfo chewadwe wasemi o.
Mpacho ni op na do okuman oposi.
Oh, ohima. Mini panie, mini pa chewadwe wasemi o.
Mpacho no merima ni ye no need to buy fra owu ano cha so de man pa. Ni oye obia no so ni oye ni enye ni wadi ayo ba ko odi ebi so be yo no so.
Sister what my options in the back account. Is it say owu
me pacho odise be ni
Oje de ga say.
Hwan oje?
Yo.
Miami oje ana.
Are.
Me ba oje bibi aboko de.
Boko.
O manfi.
Enye manfi oje, oye ebi oje.
Oje bo mani acha wadwe wasemi o.
Me de obia no tanko obia pa nga duku ga zonko yin sanko yi. Ano be man so de otubo ma tumi shia bia tumi do no de tumi do no.
Kako yi.
What you wudi oje?
Are you a good woman?
What you wudi oje?
Papa me so wa hwe no.
Na me pacho odise be ni.
Yes, sir, I believe I just cook.
Koko ase
My chewendele fan.
Baba di ache wadwe wasemi o abra.
Oh, na. Another day, why it is Terengele Amasa. What is your Terengele to my Safra? If I chose, who being anyone to say Terengele knew what Yanni and the dear name. Oh, Gala was said this. Oh, I said, and I know what this out. I'll come from Bonnie and what's none one will come for father to 1 year.
Asawara.
This say no friend to Wendell no and never no
crow onyum cross wonyu no agim sika wonyu obasa odi ne kofia program nko
oda san na to adapa
right 0270191971 0270191971 asemi eye dibone isane say senia adofo fra Samre the boy yadi gu abrante yi so na
oja ba ko post for friend ojo se den
mo friend nyina mo
oye mpacho bra me sorry but
this ya be ni bra
yes boss
Samre Sina Junction Kwam Taylor wono satellite ne da so pa che wadwe wasemi
o de se wa ben pa
che wadwe wa asemi ho
na meka nyina kwesini se mi sister ne wa yesu kaka ko so no biki no yi ba ko nyenu nyensa anye wanyade by the way na meka ne se so be ma no waro ko so ne na yiri na we be to ko waro one way so anye ne den
okay aso mfa so no no empratri bebre aso mfa so no wa ho anya
odise be ni
hello
me pa cha for sa na kasafi
brezu ka tematini
Sabatri bibi aboko de. Na Samre ubutu ina na me kasai.
Ubutu gwa kan o, mi sport mu o.
Sabatri abatu afọ. Right. Bomadi acha wadwe wasemi o.
Le no abadan pa, wa abadan fo.
Oh, David.
Oh, we didn't hear Cemetery there. My boy, my million. You are my best friend. Cemetery, madam.
Cemetery, Michelle, Chesai, Sasam now. David. Cemetery, Chesai. Oh, David, Cemetery, Michelle.
Madam, for cemetery. Me na kwa na eba. Abrabo huru yi me na ebo.
David. Mesra mo se mofra na mama ya hwe kasa na ye ka no ya kakra ya esem na da won de ya na mo no kra ni nyame anim ni patitiru ni akesefo bebre tie adwumade enti na ya na mama ya hwe nsem aye keka no
afrash me sesia na me ma happy birthday na girl ne ba ko
okay
girl no
ye kukuru mponi ni e so aso wate girl
o ba ye wedding ya u ya made of honor David made of honor na happy birthday Oba we scam say one year aduane ade achi
a ani awupe bia enu
abakwa no de nsu afra
ode dan
nsu no de afra
na abakwa na no de fra
na wose mesi yankwa foforo
One man chop money. Oh, my chop money. So, Umbrashe. Nina Matama.
Unyas can go in and my drop money. Unyas can go in and
they say, do one when you are bringing to you by.
But if I
okay.
And you cry upon me body out of the so.
Body out of me so. Who cry big sister up on my deopsy talk and cry man back one count. Also who Adambo and on a day a traba.
I need a few who
know. Madame say, Mammy fa me last call. Your frost and our Casafi. We are my last call. I frost and our Casafi. Rasmogabi Casafi.
Okay.
Also Casafi. In Quakai, Chawaju was a meal.
Papa, no, you're correct.
There be ultimate Casasa. To Sebi. Yet ultimate Casemisa.
A man, you're correct to send me organ, Hamodoso, Papa. A man, to send me organ, how you're correct. No, oh, my man is Haguno. And we didn't know correct. The minister come to Yabo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's I hope Papa to be money, yes, sir.
Papa,
now Papa, I catch any on your correct.
And I have Papa from the
and I'm saying, member, to them a tap on your correct.
I say, we are Papa, maybe a friend for Ninesi and na exactly 57 after
but some new men in
Bisa
Obon some your Timmy left in new men in a bay.
Mammy Momo the uncle. Now,
come
1 minute. At the end, I was here and there.
Me and I dear missing from me say, I am me and the moment when in the what now open away in his entry? Show. I and a first one by and also Unya, Cabana Oba. Oh, yeah, they all car, when jade, but all call Beba. But when the way me are near you, I'm enough to listen away a wet list. Okay, say Yabu Fragua. Ube, ain't no. O me obi abe pepper for no. Me nya so when you obi was no crashing some kind. And you kununko. And me obi na me one chain no na me ba.
Me cry enemy go. Okay. Eti mama nko Joan.
Hello dear.
Also wadwenche.
Ano dindin ni nyina ho nye bibia o. Eto de bia ne de ho hye emi tete like character na mafa ne de ho hye one way. Mutumi hu say Oyao na emom obia de ne mete se na me sister kan na obia de se wan fa ho adwene a de bia unsa besi fam na obia nso mesrew enforce hu mpushi hu bebre ma berema se impo wo situation ya ye kan bi mu a polish wo ho siesie wo ho ahofe wo store siesie wo ho benyo berema papa eden eso na unim mamma rechichi sembi obia bia watumi enyinsen da no enida so wo ho so bi nyinsen kwa akiri a no na asemo ho kakra ba wotumi anyinsen den kyerɛ sɛ wo kwa aware a unya obani biom intimate oba bia wo find yourself in character na me portray no bo ho so jana asem obehu afere
me da say the boy
Kwame sɛ utimi tena wiase na oni oba nyinsen ba ko mienu miensa heaven abo and a year say I want to anhwa wonye yida me na meka kire o esa say Bible cross say obi a wotie me anwumre nkan Proverbs chapter 6 verse number 16 o de kan kwa ase ho no mo a ase moja edibim okagu a asem da so okagu ye npo no wansa anware oba no anya rekekesem amfa ama no senka nyinse ni nyina chi no yigori nyina chi na asan ware no ka ho a oba no kura benya rekeke kakra na mo wedi a wo si kwakwo hu oba o ti se Yesu oye kokko nti ukoja dada na kofa foforo no na foforo no oba no unim ni odeba unim odeba kwa me to da bia enye emema ngo na enwo ema na bi onso a omonso omonwo
me da se ya from na kwa me per ubetimi from the finest the mema nyina ka twere me ha na me di dwumadie ni nyina esi nyampa ekina me no be sen hia me da maboafo nyina se Sam Radio happy birthday kase enkoma Tina Mama Tina ana Obatina. Happy birthday, Kesian. Come on, I am out.